Hi, I'm Miss Jess from Jamie the Tutor with your tip and trick of the month. Did you know that just rote memorization of math facts is not enough? In order to be fluent in math facts, a student needs to use strategies and notice relationships between numbers. The quickness and accuracy of their response is part of that fluency, but being able to utilize strategies and manipulate numbers leads to more flexible thinking, which is what we want. What exactly is rote memorization? Well, that's the process of memorizing information with repetition. We've all been doing it for years with math facts and even cramming before a test. Rote memorization can be helpful to learn quickly, but it does not provide an understanding or connection to the things that are being learned, in this case, numbers. It's best for students to know these facts by either having them meaningfully memorized or applying a highly effective strategy. Well, what does it mean to meaningfully memorize something? This means that you are actively involved in learning the concept as a whole. And with math facts, that would mean a deeper understanding of the relationship between numbers, which in turn is going to help you retain the information for the long term. That is our Jamie the Tutor tip and trick of the month. This is Miss Jess, hoping you have a great day.